A lot of people, when they approach website copying, what happens is that they get so wrapped up into what actually makes the website work, what they're going to say, making sure that it sounds professional, but also fun and relatable. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 different tips to make website copywriting easier. Most people find that writing website copy can actually be very daunting and quite confusing, especially if you have multiple pages for your website, apart from home, about, services, packages, portfolio, testimonial, case studies, if you sell programs, if you sell digital products. So we're going to get into what actually makes and can help you make your website copywriting process so much easier. The first thing is setting up a branded copy style guide. This is something that we use with our clients to make sure that the communication strategy is all in one place. This is our branded copy style guide template, which walks you through the mission statement, vision statement, ideal client avatar, packages, services, and all of the SEO keywords, as well as branded words. Then another thing that you want to do is write your website copy in a Google Doc or a Word doc, not in the website platform itself. Here is how to set up an easy Google Doc page. So the reason why you don't want to write your website copy directly in your website platform is because sometimes it won't save. And the worst thing is when you're writing website copy and then all of a sudden the program doesn't save and you've lost all of your work. At least when you're writing it in a Google Doc format or a Word doc, then you can automatically save it and then copy and paste it into the website later. This also helps because then you're not editing and writing and writing and editing all at the same time. And then the last one is set a goal and a clear call to action at the top of the page. So we've set up our Google page doc here, and at the top, you'll see that we added in the goal and also the call to action of each page. So say, for example, your home page. The goal of the home page is to introduce your services and introduce your brand and your business to your ideal clients. The call to action then, for example, is going to be to redirect your audience or the readers to look at your services or your products or your programs. That is a clear call to action. The reason why we want to put it at the top of the page is because then you don't get distracted while you're writing and everything stays top of mind. We totally know that when it comes time to writing website copy, sometimes we just get into it and then we completely forget the goal of the page. In our bundle, the Heartfelt Website Copywriting Bundle, we walk you through how to actually write website copy that is, one, heartfelt and actually converts. In the bundle, you'll get things like the branded copy style guide template, which will help you walk through how to set up your whole communication strategy, a Master Your Message masterclass, as well as a mini course that we have on Skillshare on how to set up and write each page of your website copy. We also include different checklists for each website page, so things like don't forget to add a call to action, what a home page definitely needs, the buttons, the links, and all of that. Also, we've included website templates. So this is going to walk you through how to actually set up your website to make sure that it converts and connects with your audience immediately. From things like the homepage photo, what you need to write, and also where to include testimonials and other images. This website bundle is here to help make your website copywriting journey so much easier, and you can grab it at the link